Morning, welcome back to Leadfoot TV. Today we are somewhere very special. We are at the Nismo Omori Factory. Sorry if there's a bit of road noise, it's right next to a main road. But we're going to go in and check out the Nismo Omori Factory. But let's first check out the car park, because the car park is absolutely incredible. So first up, we've got a very special car. So you probably recognise this slightly because I had one for a while, didn't I? But it wasn't quite as special as this one.
No.
So I have had a four-door R33, but this one is quite a special version because this is the Ortec R33, and it is the only four-door R33 GT-R. Yeah, very, very, very cool. Like literally a holy grail car. You just don't see these things anywhere. They're so rare. Yeah, really, really cool. So yeah, what happened was a company called Ortec took the four-door R33 and turned it into a GT-R. So it has full RB26 and GT-R running gear, and yeah, just an incredible car that you just never ever see anywhere. And see it just parked in the car park outside is pretty cool. And then next up, I think, is a Nismo Note. I don't think they sold these in the UK, but it looks quite cool, to be fair. I think, oh no, it isn't a Nismo, it's an Aura. Yeah, see, it shows how much I know. We don't even get the Aura in the UK, so yeah, Nismo Aura, whatever that is, I'm pretty sure it's a full electric car. Then we got a Nissan March K13 Nismo. It's pretty cool. Again, we never got a Nismo version in the UK, so that's quite cool to see because I do love my Marches and Micras. Very nice Recaro Nismo seats in there. Yeah, pretty sick. Is that a Note?
That's a Note, yeah.
That is a Note.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nismo Note. Nice 370Z just rolled in. So yeah, Nismo Note.
It's got quite nice interior.
Yeah, so I think those seats are the same Nismo seats that come in the R35 GT-R. And then, yeah, so pretty cool collection of cars. And then these cars down here are even cooler. So we've got a lineup of 3 R31 Skylines, which like in the UK are pretty much non-existent. So to see these in person is really, really sick. And all of them are just on like hellishly cool wheels. We've got some Workmeisters. This one's on some BBS splits. And then a set of T37s. But yeah, just so nice. Yeah, really, really nice cars. Yeah, I've never seen these before in person, so like yeah, it's really cool, proper retro interior in them. I'd actually really like one of these. I think they look absolutely awesome. Yeah, 3 in a row just parked outside, all absolutely immaculate as well. just inside, already we've got some sick RB engines. VR38. And then over here we've got another R31 in the Reebok livery. That looks cool. Massive side pipes out the side. Look. Old school SSR center locks on it. Yeah, really cool. I've come here and discovered that I might need to buy an R31 Skyline. Yeah, really cool. Yeah, sick. And then we've got a Nissan. I was going to say it was a Primera, but I think it's actually a Sunny. I know I've seen a few videos recently from in here, and they did have the British touring car Primera in here. But yeah, that's definitely a Sunny. I love on the old touring cars how the wheels just sit so deep into the arches. Absolutely nothing inside. Carbon mirrors are really cool. I assume. Not sure what the vent's for on the side. It must feed something. There's like a vent down the side of the wing mirror. It's a pretty cool looking car. And then the endless R34 GT-R. These ZN cars, they work really well on the right car, and if they're not on the right car, they don't look very good, but that sits really well on those. Super sick. Massive endless brakes, front and back. So I think, yeah, that one's gone off, but you can see the information of the car on each screen. Little model for the GT R35. Some things that got to empty my wallet. Hey, they're those the key rings we saw in the Gachapon machines, aren't they? I think. Yeah. I like this little 1/64 scale R34 on like a little R-tune plaque. It's pretty cool. And then R35 GT-R. Yeah, I assume it's GT3. Absolutely mental aero on it. Look at all that aero down the side. So crazy. Yeah, that's absolutely sick. Inside. See, the only bad thing about coming to places like this is it's so well lit that you can't see inside the cars. They need like lights inside the car so you can, yeah. And then another R35, Ortec one. Right-hand drive one this time. Yeah, really cool. And then you can actually see inside here into the Nismo garage. And these are all customer cars. Just in here for work. I wish my garage was this clean. So, R33 GT-R is absolutely immaculate. Like, so clean. And Bayside Blue R34. Nismo carbon bonnet on it. Super cool. And just over there, just here, is one of the new Nissan Zs. I've not actually seen one of them in person yet. So in here we've got the little Nismo Shop. Got some cool gear knobs. Yeah, loads of cool badges. I really like these Nismo driving gloves, they're really cool. And then over here you got like a selection of genuine Nissan replacement parts, like yeah, the ignition coil modules, ignition coils, maps, everything you'd need, alternators. And this side you've got some cool carbon fibre goodies like the wing mirror, not wing mirror. What's that called?
Mirror?
Rear view mirror. Yeah, rear view mirror cover. Number plate surrounds, pillar trims. And then replacement like lights for the R34. Air filters. LMGT wheels. Lug nuts. And then over here you've got like carbon intake for the RB26. I really want this, but I don't have enough money for it because it is very expensive. But that is a titanium strut brace for the R32. We worked it out, it's about £1,000, isn't it? So yeah, I've got more important things to buy for my car before I get to that stage. Yeah, front mounting a cooler, radiator. Yeah, really sick stuff. Yeah, that's okay.
Thank you.
Arigato gozaimasu. So that was the Nismo Omori Factory, a really sick place. I think they rotate all the cars in the showroom and stuff, so it's not always the same cars in the showroom every time you go. I bought some floor mats for my R32. Basically, when it was in the body shop, somebody burnt the carpet, so I've got some new floor mats because it's missing the passenger side floor mat at the moment. So nice full set of Nismo floor mats, which is pretty sick. So now we are off to return the cube back to Nissan Rent-A-Car, and we're going to head across Tokyo and pick up our new hire car for the day, which is going to be pretty sick. And then tonight we are heading to Daikoku car park to check out what's there. So we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.